So in this video of how to get perfect edges, the most important part is the 24-hour edge tamer, and then a little bit of EcoStyler Gel, but it's not that important. Also, I use like one of those eyebrow brushes and the top from a mascara. Just clean one out or use an extra one. So I'm going to start off with a little bit, but I'm kind of going to use a lot, but honestly it lasts for a while. So you just kind of put it over different parts of your hair, and then after you kind of get your hair saturated with it, then you'll go in and use the brushes. Okay, so if you guys can see, I'm kind of going in a motion. Like I hold it with my pinky, and then you just kind of swoop it. And you just kind of practice that a bit, and it gets it to kind of swoop a little bit. So at this point, I've already taken off my my hair scarf, and I just sprayed it down with a little bit of holding spray. Then you want to get the blow dryer and put it on cool and just kind of blow dry it a little bit. When you do that, it'll harden it, and that way it won't really get messed up. Like, I wish I could explain to you guys how it feels, but like when you touch it, it doesn't really move. It's just kind of